Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Getting help with math homework isn't easy, with parents often busy or unable to assist. An app called PhotoMath is designed to help by scanning problems and providing students with step-by-step solutions. It's being used by millions. VP of Strategy, Jennifer Lee.
We have a team of software engineers as well as math teachers that try to say, hey, what's the best way to approach and explain this, and how do we codify it into an expert solver system?
It's appreciated by many teachers, parents, and of course students. In fact, one high school student told us it is especially useful when checking homework to see if it was done correctly. The company tells us they're looking at expanding into more subject areas as well. You can find PhotoMath for Android or iOS, and there's more info at photomath.app. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.